Yama kwaba de ba the capital. And there hona yede world class show no ebrew. World class sports. And there yede show no ebrew ewo the capital. Usually no na yede brew every yeji. Ba yete na kakra every yeji aba capital aba be yadi nti fa show no every on brew. Ya show ball so sent no bribia no show no yede be brew. Yenya challenges kakra our production be days back by and there bibia to tom nti na say yede ba afa nso ye big midweek games our Ghana Premier League ni mu a and there ye analysis na bibia be center our Ghana Premier League enti awie no osonfo Don Iniesta 08 and amede show no ebrew #Don Iniesta 08 and YouTube no account no and there we Ghana Premier League matches and a war honum. Your big games a war honum. Big game ni bi war takwa a compact. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni Mediama Sporting Club bo war takwa a compact. Away game Kumasi Asante Kotoko ekobo. Home game ema Mediama takwa a compact. Oko Sugakope Wafa. Any glorious Accra House of Folk bo. One man a big game. The two teams matches, crunch and then big and they sent in recent times. By 3 seasons, no league in the mono. So, two teams in a call baby or Marco and they go see a can and go Emma. And Abama by a big. Big dear, nay, 2 teams no a Kotoko and a hat or pay and a big. The 2 glamorous clubs are your woman. Name say, oh, see. Oh boy, Tiaoma, a show position nso na yetimi 2 teams in a bully side ema big clubs nti I amana big games. We use so much in free one and there were Accra, the capital, Legon City ball, Interlice ball, and a Oli ball into 3 games also Accra Sports Stadium and there. Now 11 wonders ball Adriana Techimai bona half derby. Because 2 teams in every B. Brekum, Chelsea, and Dreams, the president team, Ketukroku, Ura, Ketukroku, team Dreams FC, A12 the Ako, Golden City, Ako Koshia, Brekum Chelsea, or Yamawade, a league. Say, ultimate starting league, now, share 2 big clubs. A year had to folk any Kotoko, Sapan, so Oyamawade. Yeah, Oyamawade. Brekum Chelsea so not to take anything from them no I respect you so no more former champions nti omudi se omo bossa brown any sa performance no work kin first our ebo between Inter Allies ebo Emna Shark Mediama sani edi kan no ebo Kotoko Legon City ebo Ashgood Ebusian Drafts ebo Liberty Oli ebo Carrera United quick one Takwa Akompak Mediama against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In recent times, no oko Mediama and I say Takwa Kotoko enya no totoroto. When yana for na draw no kwan na ze onfa e wo hono. Oko Sugakopea Wafa West African Football Academy Wafa ene hatofuk ene ebo. In recent times form na has edeko Sugakope no enye from papa. Or in that venues no make I say o majo 4-3-0 ho. In that same venue make I say o majo 5-0 recently scholar ye kai e wo ho 5-0 wafa for no dey share Kumasi Accra House of Folk e was akwan so anti matches yi na ama na ye big midweek league and the ye bo e Ghana Premier League Carrera United any Oli match no so crunch match etie say Carrera no in recent times no the performance since Oba League no Olympics afina waba the performance no enko yisa Olympics is yet to record a win draw kra wonyai he is yet to record a win ewo Ghana Premier League onya promotion eba yemu enti Carrera uko Oli any Carrera match no a Carrera ewo edge over Olympics. If you want to call Ibusan Drafts Liberty, Liberty etna fie and Legon City ebo first day match day 1 2-2. Oko Bekum Chelsea home eko play draw goalless. Oba Liberty ebe ball draw against Mediama and then on Kotoko Ebo. A good Mediama side and then so sign ball draw honum. And team Liberty enya win ye ewo league ni mu. Liberty eko drafts a first league match no or 3-0 Mediama shene 3-0. Ena oko Wafa na Wafa shene 2-0. Suga kope. Ena oba Hatofok Dano Crusader ena Hatofok eshe no 2-1 ewo honum. And he is also yet to record a win ewo ho nti match Liberty o share me away prowess near away performance award in recent times a chance Liberty ewo edge over Ebusan Drafts ewo honum onya the fit and answer the grounds ewo Ghana Premier League Auburn Inter Allies any Elimina Sharks match match hu two teams nyina but Inter Allies na away performance so enya bad cause nanuma enchi bia oko nya draw ewo Carrera Ewiase Park ewo Carrera anase Takwa okonya Western Region honum okonya ayi draw ewo honum by Victorian Adibayo LED lines no ama Carrera Inter Allies and no ama match no huma Carrera no but the likes of Diawusi Taylor any Solomon Safo Taylor any Emmanuel Keke omo Carrera no make sure say omo ebe match no nyoma enyadoa ebedi Inter Allies for enti ene omo motivation omo wo ewo sa match yi mu King Faisal ena Bechem United nso ebo na wo hwe in recent times King Faisal former wo mu very bad otena fi na ajuda be hye ne ka baako oko Dreams na Dreams ahye no 4-1 ewo hono oko Eduana na Eduana ahye no e ka mienu a ontimi si bada braka wo hono enti wo hwe matches yi a onya win ye he is yet to score he is yet to win ewo league yi mu and then obo etia Bechem a well motivated Bechem side a wa wini ewo ne backyard and I say home game la Sunday no wini ewo sa kwan no so Bechem performance so and say Adriana any Ash Gold any some couple of teams are Dreams and some couple of teams are omanya fit ewo form ho omoda league top or inshallah ntisa nemu no wo hwe match ya ende kokobo no King Faisal enya no fukra draw ewo sa kwan so Bechem ewo edge over King Faisal ewo sa kwan so Bekum Chelsea medika nkan wo hwe league no ye hwe team a ne ho won nsem bebre a positive a Bekum Chelsea League 1 bako hwe Accra House of Folk eka baako wantimensi madabraka wa wini oko Bekum ekobo draw Liberty ko train draw oba Kotoko Sunday no ebe hye Kotoko ka baako a empo ehun nsem bebre enti wo hwe performance Liberty Bekum Chelsea edenadi empo osanye addition deadline day osan Jordan Opoku midfield dynamo osan Kisibuatin chapa wadi kan bo team leader akọ Toposa Mazembe ATP Mazembe o Congo waba abe bo a couple of clubs around and there also motivation my team otise yi initially na performance wasn't bad team Bekum Chelsea and there was any addition be otise yi motivation ma omo betimi a winning match on any day disrespected Dreams FC so Karim Zito ni Mrante no we are not going to disrespect them because omonso enya a very resounding and then unique wins be matches be mo say all two kwan free the aba level one the salvation or kabakon King Faisal two kwan alcohol no ma mo hye King Faisal kan nine our team baako na Lagos City call no na train draw goalless ni there you wouldn't take anything away from them. The performance has not been bad a year or sakwan so a team be a bit me boost say or to kwan akobrekum no obetimi akwakope draw anampo obeto so win sa match na wo no na ebeye din e Golden City de na mum brekum Chelsea ebetimi atwe from so with a slim margin. 11 wonders na eduana eye BA derby se na mdi kan kai no bu na half derby ahemfo mienu nso team no Ajimambedu na Najimambedu of Doma ene na Namiam of Techiman and the two teams in Asia oma wini oma meet 3 times ewo Ghana Premier League ni mu mienu akoso Doma na bakwa akoso ewo Techiman sentini say number 12 no ebae no na 11 wonders adi kan akọ Doma ba anka Doma ebo mo ho aba 11 wonders Techiman dem mo no league no ya nwie enti 3 meetings no ayi 11 wonders afa win back on ewo Techiman ena mienu na omakọ ewo Doma nyina no Doma eduana ahye omo a omo ntimansi mu adabraka match yi ende Doma for eba a eduana for eba wo hwe form a omo 3/3 9 straight points almost striker Momo Yaya Mohammed ena only the goal scoring chart no as at 3 games wa share 5 goals ewo hono enye bad there were a couple of guys are also goal scoring prowess no fantastic omaye addition that deadline day no omo de Bright Ejay omo ne had to folk enyina eco negotiations anka had to folk sign de omo no omo sign Bright Ejay oye omo former player CNN last year and I said last 2 seasons the goal equal CNN winning Aji award hono nti that chap fantastic and there say no matter 2 year bibia nsi ne kwan a coach Yusuf ebetimi abone ho bodin use wo sakwan so a obetimanya win and answer no obetima ko yi amom enti we motivation going into the game Eduana against 11 wonders no ometimi win wo hono quick one goal scoring chart no Yaya Mohammed of Eduana only did 5 goals ho Prince Opoku of Mediama wa share 3 goals Emmanuel Jemfi Kotoko wa share 2 goals Victorian Adele Adebayo Ashi 2 goals of Inter Allies Mubarak Yusuf Ashgood Ashi 2 Elvis Cheba for Liberty Ashi 2 Prince K Edu Bechem Ashi 2 Nana Kofi Babel one fantastic chapper yes super sub Obamu o free bench babia Obeshegu no man of the match wa dia to 2 onuso Ashi 2 ena yawo Emmanuel Okan of Dreams FC enso Ashi 2 ewo hono 1111 nso ewo hono ma on emom no yenti ebrenti yenti mfa omo de no entuya now the big games Kumasi Asante Kotoko game yi against Mediama omo 3 status Kwame Adom Frimpong ena Mubarak ene Collins Amion omone midfielders na coach Masokuna do timi to so ntonto eyibi na in picking order no Mubarak ene Justice Bray ene Collins Amion wini 4-3-3 battle and I say 4-4-2 na Diamond coach Capero Masokuna do ebo sakwan so na Collins Amion ene Mubaraka otumi start Abdullah Yusuf Mubarak mutumi start Ekan Justice Bray hono ende omutu Mubarak ene Collins Amion opranti omantimi antu kwan yamfri Kumasi anko takwa enti ende se bibia atutu ya abrantie Kwame Adom Frimpong no so ye midfield dynamo na ejunti or ye sign no wentimi anya akansi na nsi na mmom no against Bekum Chelsea ewo Kotoko na say Kumasi no of bamu second half ebesi akan ne body boko so ye pa ende nhwemu kire say if there is anything to go by pra Collins Amion any Mubaraka brand no Kwame Adom Frimpong ebetimi apatna navigator ene Justice Bray ombetimi aye nyadoa ewo mfimfi won ama Kotoko in any day oko Mediama team no team of midfielders wo hwe adwuma coach Buadu fantastic coach Buadu wo hwe adwuma waya but building a very strong and formidable team on any day on bet many win be omo pay. Coach Gwedu 4-3-3 match yi school boy and then master. School boy let's say Coach Gwedu edidi na sokuno du na ase kakra oni na edwuma won play bebre. Na se bibia tutu yi a wo hwe form a mediama ewom okobo draw ewo Liberty na wahye Heartofok 3-0 no wahye Ebusuan Draft 3-0 or 7 points medi Kotoko akọ ball 3-1 ewo Legon City or Accra Sports Stadium wahye 11 Wonders eka bakun ewo Kumasi wa lusu etia Chelsea wo hwe performance ni omo wins ene senya noma eko ama two clubs ya kire se Bediema ewo edge over Kumasi Asante Kotoko based on this season after 3 matches no or edge over Kotoko. Aside sa analysis media 2 dwa a season yi performance na 3 seasons here idea ni mu Kotoko eko Bediema fo nche bia dum ema Kotoko omo records omo kura no enye enti no na match ye hu ema Kumasi Asante Kotoko na emom no say Bediema be wini match no kura e be slim margin. Oko Heartofok ene Sugakope Wafa West Africa Football Academy a ye twa no short aka no Wafa na eye boogie match ema Heartofok kire say in the last 2 or 3 seasons wo Sugakope no eye Wolves ena Heartofok akọ record omo share omo 2-0 ewo honum in the next season omo share Heartofok 5-0 a omo timenshim as Adabraka. Yepe the last results are a one ma draw na Heartofok go train no cry NC tournament any league but league there Heartofok the last performance na results we call record e was Sugakope 5-0 and no na match no ye hu e ma Heartofok going into this game no coach Edward Edum modern say obetimi akipi momentum na onyaye anase match win na onyaye every draws match no positives na or record here no obetimi atoaso na wetimi anya better results e wo Sugakope coach owo Wafa for coach no so bo ne hombody say after say alternative na wahye Ebusuan Draft 2-0 na wako away akoshe career eka baako na wasan akọ kwan so abo draw kire say Wafa for e was 7 points a on lose match here Heartofok lose 2 matches wa win baako Wafa win 2 abo draw baako wo hwe performance na e wo league duma Wafa for performance e wo soro esen Heartofok okọ nso a in recent times enkoyi match ni ye hu e ma Heartofok se me twa scoreline a Wafa ebetimi awini match no be 2-1 2-0 1-0 but hoping scoreline dey be dey say this time around no betimi record e wo ho and then world class sports no analysis any GPL analysis na ye pese ye de brew na embrepa mu no transfers a Europe ne winter no ye betimi e dey abrew na mum e match we na ewia you know work the capital no ye pese ye hu edwuma wo centers 7 na matches no ebekoso Accra be record 3 matches and e wo ho no takwa Mediama ene Kotoko bebo Techiman 11 Wonders ene Eduana bebo Kumasi Kemfesa ene Bechem ebebo Brekum Chelsea Dreams ebebo ena Cape Coast Ebusuan Drafts ena Liberty nso bebo men tanafie bo hombodin se wo kwan se obetimi ahwe matches yi bia bo hombodin ne kokopie mu na fascinating and exciting matches and e be free if na so ye aba midin e de Don Iniesta 08 YouTube no #Don Iniesta 08 nyame sera free won channel say obe subscribe obo #Don Iniesta 08 obe subscribe na ode comment ato no na ye wo no ma bebre e de brew peace shalom.